Dun, 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 dun. Guys, check this out. That's a 9145. That's an Axial SCX24. Remember how that used to look next to that? Still a little bit wider, but dang. We got it. We got it built up here. We are on Injora monster truck tires, sponsored by the official Injora store on AliExpress. Check them out. They got lots of stuff. It's the official Injora store. Really great price. These come on mounted wheel. They come on wheels with foam, mounted, not glued. But these bolt directly up to your SCX24. They have the same size hex on it. That is crazy. These are 1-inch wheels, same size as like a WPL. I actually popped them onto a WPL wheel, but they're just, a little too skinny. These are a little too wide. But you get the idea. You could do a little swapperoo on all sorts of stuff. I was thinking I could get a set of these and put them on the WPL. Wouldn't that be cool? Look at this. So our suspension trait worked. It worked. Except for when we turn, we catch the bumper. But we could trim that off right there or something or whatever. Just rub the bumper. It's a monster truck. It's meant to go straight and go rah, blah, 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 and it like spins around and stuff. Guys, this has power. It does wheelies. It's insane. Look at how good that looks. That looks so good. Look at that. It actually works. The only thing that doesn't work right now is the servo. We're running the stock axial servo and it does not have any power. No power. It barely has enough power to go straight. We got a little SG90. If that doesn't work, we're gonna have to get like some super little mini SCX24 servo. So the other day, this week in here, I was getting it powered up to do these monster truck tires, and the Surpass Hobby KK ESC and that 650 battery went bad all of a sudden. So I tried this ESC. This is just a little Ghoul RC cheapie. Runs off the same program right here we're about to mess with. And I noticed it has really good slow modulation now. It takes off nice and smooth. It crawled really smooth and it seemed faster. But there's something wrong with this ESC too, where you give it full throttle, it takes off and everything. And then when you let off, it resets. It shuts off and resets. It's so weird. It's really, really frustrating. I don't know, I did something to it. 3S high kV motor. But I have this bad boy. A nice 35 amp. I got a 25 amp version in the WPL. It's been working great. And it was only like $10 or $15 or something along. They're still only like $10 or $15, even less than that on AliExpress. But I threw in here, and guys, it works so good. 2S 1000 milliamp. Got some sweet stickers. Guys, check out the Injora store for real. Link in the description. I think we need a better... Ooh, it's getting cut. Need a stronger servo. So fast, so. 2S. Wheel speed check. Look how fast the drive shaft spins compared to the tires. That's some serious wheel speed there. Holy. Oh. Holy moly. Whoa. We gotta take that outside. Dang, I'm stunting already. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, that's fast. All right, let's take this outside tomorrow.